Hello Kawaumat! In this video, we express square of trinomials as a square of binomials, and we solve quadratic equation by completing the square. Completing the square, so this is to complete the square of the expression x squared plus bx, add the square of half the coefficient of x to make x squared plus bx plus b over 2 squared. Okay, so tatandaan natin tong equation na to, no? Para maging perfect square trinomial yung isang expression, so para dagdagan ang x squared plus bx, ang gagawin lang natin, kunin natin yung value ng b over 2 tapos squared lang natin. Halimbawa, x squared minus 8x plus. So, ano kaya ang idadagdag natin sa expression na to para maging perfect squared trinomials? So, gamit yung kaninang equation, so kunin natin yung value ng b. So, ano ba yung value ng b dito? And that is negative 8. And then, i-divide natin sa 2. So, negative 8 divide 2 is equal to negative 4. Pagkakuha natin, no, ng value ng b, then i-divide lang natin sa 2. So, negative 8 divided by 2, the answer is negative 4. After that, squared lang natin yung nakuha nating sagot. So, squared natin si negative 4. So, negative 4 squared is equal to 16. So, para saan ba tong 16 na to? So, itong si 16, siya yung idadagdag natin dito sa expression natin na x squared minus 8x. So, ang idadagdag natin yan, so magiging ganito na. X squared minus 8x, again, x squared minus 8x plus 16. Okay, so ibig sabihin, ito ay isa ng perfect squared trinomials. So, paano ulit natin nakuha yung 16? Una muna, kunin muna natin yung value ng b, tapos i-divide lang natin sa 2, yung sagot, squared natin. So, yung sagot na ni-squared natin, yun ang idadagdag natin sa expression natin para maging perfect squared trinomials. So, paano naman kunin yung square of binomial nito? Galing sa perfect squared trinomials. So, kunin lang natin tong square root nito. Ang square root ng 16, so, paano natin ulit kunin? Doon sa last term or yung constant term nyo, kunin nyo yung square root nyan, which is 16. So, ang square root ng 16 is 4. So, pag kinuha natin yung square of binomials, magiging x. Bakit negative yan? Kasi ito yung susundin yung sign. So, kaya x minus 4 squared. Next, we have x squared plus 3x. So, ano ang unang gagawin natin? Gamit ulit yung equation na to. So, ito yung value ng b natin. Pagkakuha ng value ng b, divide natin kay 2. So, since hindi exact, no, yung sagot nila, so ito na mismo ang gagamitin natin, si 3 over 2. So, squared na natin si 3 over 2. 3 over 2 squared, that is equal to 9 over 4. Bakit? 3 times 3, that is 9. 2 times 2, that is 4. So, again, nakuha na natin yung squared. So, alam natin na ang idadagdag natin dito sa expression na to is 9 over 4. So, ano nang magiging expression natin? X squared plus 3x plus 9 over 4. So, ito ay isa ng perfect squared trinomial. So, paano natin kukunin ang square of binomial niyan? Kunin nyo lang yung square root nito. So, by the way, ito lang din yon. So, x plus. Bakit plus? Dahil ang sign dito ay positive. So, x plus 3 over 2 squared. So, tinuruan ko kayo kung paano gawing perfect square trinomial at from perfect square trinomial, gawing square of binomial. So, I'll give you more examples. Express each of the following perfect square trinomials as a square of binomial. First, x squared plus 4x plus 4. So, itong mga given na to ay perfect square trinomials na. Ang gagawin na lang natin, gagawin nating square of a binomial. So, kanina, anong sabi ko? Kapag kinukuha natin yung square of binomial, kunin lang natin yung square root ng constant term nyo. Yung nasa dulong term. So, ano yung square root ni 4? That is 2. So, therefore, ang square of binomial is x plus 2 squared. Susundin nyo ang sign ha, huwag kayong magkakamali. Ito yung sign na susundin nyo. Next. X squared plus 12x plus 36. Again, kunin natin yung square root ng last part o yung last ng last term nyo. So, square root ni 36 is 6. So, therefore, the square of binomial is x plus 6 squared. Another. We have x squared minus 10x plus 25. So, ulit, ano ang square root ni 25? 5. So, anong sign? Negative. So, therefore, the square of binomial is x minus 5 squared. Last example. X squared minus 5x plus 25 over 4. So, kunin natin yung square root nito. And that is 5 over 2. Square root ni 25 is 5. Square root ni 4 is 2. So, that is 5 over 2. So, therefore, our square of binomial is x minus 5 over 2 squared. So, yung paraan na pagkuha natin ng square of binomial at yung paraan para maging perfect square trinomial ay ito yung gagamitin natin para to solve the quadratic equation by completing the square. Okay, so simulan natin. Given the quadratic equation x squared plus 10x is equal to 3. So, kapag nagsusolve tayo ng quadratic equation gamit ang completing the square, dapat nasa ganitong format siya. Okay? Yung constant term natin nasa right side. And then, yung form na x squared plus bx o yung quadratic at linear term natin nasa left side ng equation natin. Or, ang gawin nyo lang, kailangan yung constant term nasa right side. Okay. So, paano natin isosolve ang quadratic equation na to? So, gamit kanina, yung natutunan nyo, gawin muna natin tong perfect squared trinomials. Okay. X squared plus 10x plus. Okay, ano ba yung gagawin natin? Kunin natin yung value ng b tapos i-divide natin sa 2. So that is 10 over 2 is equal to 5. And after natin i-divide sa 2, squared natin. So 5 squared is equal to 25. So alam na natin na ang idadagdag natin dito ay 25. Para siya maging perfect squared trinomial. So yung expression natin ay x squared plus 10x plus 25. So, ito ngayon ay perfect square trinomials na. So, kapag kinuha natin yung square of binomials, that is x plus 5 squared. Okay. After natin makuha yung perfect squared trinomials, no? We need to add 25 to both sides of the equation. So ito, dadagdagan nyo ng 25. Ito yun. Ito yun, class. And then yung 3, dadagdagan nyo rin ng 25. Both equation, dadagdagan ng 25. So ito na ngayon ang equation natin. X squared plus 10x plus 25 is equal to 3 plus 25. So, after nyan, anong gagawin? Express the perfect square trinomial. So, yung PST is perfect square trinomial on the left side. Asan yun? Ito yon. Gagawin daw natin yan as square of binomial. Yung ginawa nyo, ito na yon, yung x plus 5 squared. So, gagawin daw natin tong nasa left side as square of binomial. So, that will be x plus 5 squared is equal to 28. Anong sunod na gagawin natin? Ano ba yung ginagawa natin during solving quadratic equation by extracting the square root? Okay, so extract na natin, no? So, solve the resulting quadratic equation by extracting the square root. So, magiging ano na equation natin ngayon? X plus 5 is equal to positive or negative square root of 28. So, tingin nyo ba magsusolve agad tayo? Hindi pa. So, remember class, 28, number 28 ay merong factor na may perfect squared. So, hindi yung square root of 28 ay pwede pa natin extract yan. So, ano ba yung factor ni 28 na merong factor na perfect squared? That is 4 and 7. So, therefore, the square root of 4 times 7, it will become 2 square root of 7. Kasi perfect squared yung 4 natin. So, magiging ganito na yung equation natin. X plus 5 is equal to positive or negative 2 square root of 7. Ngayon, pwede na natin isolve yung equation. Meron tayong dalawang equation. Yung x plus 5 is equal to 2 square root of 7. At yung pangalawang equation natin, x plus 5 is equal to negative 2 square root of 7. Okay, solve natin yung equation natin. So, first, x plus 5 is equal to 2 square root of 7. So, anong gagawin lang natin? Lipat lang natin si 5 sa right side. So, magiging x is equal to negative 5 plus 2 square root of 7. And this is now the final answer. Hindi pwede natin simplify, no? Hindi pwede i-add si negative 5 plus 2 square root of 7 dahil magkaiba sila. Si 2 ay may kasamang square root of 7. Si 5 wala. So, this is now the final answer. Hindi mo pwede pagsamahin si negative 5 at positive 2. Next. Okay, in the next equation, we have x plus 5 is equal to negative 2 square root of 7. So, same process. Lipat lang natin si positive 5 sa kabilang side. So, magiging x is equal to negative 5 minus 2 square root of 7. Okay.